Is a foundation really that important when you're building a new house? I mean, even the Bible is clear that you should build a house on a solid foundation. Otherwise, you're gonna get swept off with the rain. So today we're talking to D.R. Horton Superintendent Thomas Keaty, and he's gonna share with us how they're able to get a 10-year warranty on their foundation and structure versus a 5-year warranty.
Good morning, my name is Thomas Keaty. I'm a superintendent with D.R. Horton. As you can see behind me, today we're pouring 2 slabs. This one right here, this is the type of foundations that D.R. Horton pours all over the country. We're able to offer a 10-year warranty with this type of slab construction. Before we pour, we have to pass 2 inspections. There's the third-party independent inspection from Strand, and they check all our beam depths, make sure we have the right number of cables, make sure we have these chairs. They check to make sure we have the straps that connect the frame to the slab. And then in addition to that, we also have to have the local city inspection.
If you are considering buying a new construction home and want to learn more about D.R. Horton and how they became the #1 builder in America, click on the link to access a growing video series where we break down the home building process from the ground up, showing you the facts as to why D.R. Horton is the #1 builder in America. I'm Jim Keaty with Keaty Real Estate. Stay tuned for our next video.